So this portion, all of it, I need to really make it smooth and remove the old paint, make it very smooth, especially this portion. You see, right? It should be very smooth. You can feel it with the hand. And I feel like the earlier guy who did the painting did not do well. Did not do well because I can show so many places. Painting is not easy. It's a painstaking job, but it's an awesome hobby, I think. So if you see here, it's the black bumper has come up. Here I need to put the body filler, and then after that little bit of putty, and then again I will do it so that it will be one level. It's already one level, but I will have to little bit fill it here. Okay, fine, that should be fine. Stopping. Okay.